Personally, my dashboard shows me everything that I want to see at a glance. Uh, I'm looking at sales in, shipments out, who's clocked in, did they show up on time, how much sales are coming in on a weekly or monthly basis. Each department has its own unique view, what's important to that particular department. And we copy that from user to user within that department so that they all have similar information. So if someone is out, we're able to slide right in and pick up where they left off and know what they had on their plate. I'm using it for operational day-to-day operations. It's important for us to know that our inbound and outbound sales and shipments. It's important for me to know, if I've got fully staffed departments from day to day. All that live data, as it happens, being refreshed every minute of the day, it benefits me operationally to make sure that things are flowing smoothly. Before M1, we operated from a system that generated sales orders. We operated from another system that it generated purchase orders. We operated from another system that did our accounting. Once we got into M1, we were able to track everything in real time, make sure that everything was connected, and we've definitely benefited from the use of M1 for everything in our organization.